Hello everyone, and welcome to Curious Compass. Curious Compass is a place for curious minds, where learning is not limited to one direction. Here, we explore life facts, useful knowledge, nature, travel, and ideas that help us see the world in a new way. This channel is not set to any single topic, because curiosity itself has no boundaries. Sometimes we talk about nature, sometimes about travel, and sometimes about simple facts that can change the way we think. This channel grows with you. If you suggest a topic in the comments and it sparks curiosity, we'll explore it together. We support peace, understanding, and inclusivity for everyone. Curious Compass believes in respect, equality, and humanity. We stand strongly against racism, hate, violence, and any form of terrorism. Different cultures, different ideas, one human family. If you love discovering new things, if you enjoy learning without limits, and if curiosity guides your direction, this channel is for you. Subscribe to Curious Compass and let curiosity lead the way.